Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. The highest power of the denominator is about x. The highest power of this one is about 1. So we see that the square root of with s squared you got about 1. This one you got about 1. So in this situation, we need to divide on numerator and denominator by s. So s divided by s, 3 divided by s, so we have 1 plus 3 over s. About s, this one, they can go inside the square root, and we can write like this. That's about 2s squared over s squared plus 1 over s squared. This one we simplify, you got about number 2. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one they go to positive infinity. Number 3 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. Similar for this one. And now we need to simplify. So this one you got about 0. This one you got about 0. So we have the square root of number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.